Well, I don't know if I have enough light in here, but here's my my helmet and how I have my GoPro set up. Let's see, I have a mount. You can see on the front of my helmet I got that little this is a HJC IS2 Max or whatever, but you can't put the thing, the grip up front because it opens up. So I put it off to the side, and look at the mounts that I bought. You have to go over and out, and then I can I had to glue those, you know, the sticky tape on there for those mounts, but this is what I've been using for years. And here's that ugly brick that I had to buy from GoPro. And what I tried too originally, from this plug, I tried to the plug on the Sena headset, and that didn't work. So I bought another plug to plug in the back of here, and it's like a 3.5 to 2.5 back there, and that didn't work either. So I had to actually, I'm still hardwired. I have a hardwired mic right there. There's the boom mic for the Sena, and here's the other hardwired mic right there. I don't know if you can see, probably don't have enough light, but that's the hardwired mic that I use. And there's the GoPro setup that you can see, like on the very front. I like it centered, so it doesn't not off to the side. It's dead center, and I can actually go move it a little bit. So I actually had to move it so I can see a little bit more of the bike instead of like that. I put it down like that, and I can see more of the bike. But I like that camera better. That's the Hero 5 Black. I have this one too. This is what I've been using, the Hero 4 Silver, and it's okay. And then I used to have a Sena backpack, but I don't know. I just don't want to buy the Sena backpack anymore. I'm still waiting on the Evo, which has been 3 years, coming soon, or started in 2016 and is still coming soon. But hopefully they'll get it. But here's that big ugly brick that I had to buy from GoPro, because it has Bluetooth, but it only Bluetooths to your phone. It doesn't Bluetooth to anything else. So go figure, huh? Anyway, bye.